Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Diwalog. Now, a Diwalog would be incomplete without a DIY spa day. Now, if you don't know what DIY spa day is, it's basically taking out one day of your life and creating a couple of different DIYs. Now, what I like to do in my DIY spa days is I like to keep a hero ingredient and we just create different DIYs around that ingredient. And for today, that ingredient is going to be mung bean. Mung dal, hari dal, sabut mung, whatever you call it, there are different names for the same thing. But what it truly is an amazing ingredient for different DIYs. It's great for the skin, for the body, for hair, to eat everywhere. I know with Diwali cleaning, and especially because whatever's going on with the world right now and we have to do the cleaning by ourselves, it can be a little intimidating. So you need to take out a little bit of time for yourself, pamper yourself, because you need to feel your ultimate best too. And trust me, mung beans would help you in doing that. Mung is such a great ingredient. It is full of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and everything that you want to put topically on your face and your hair. So yes, if you want to know some great DIYs that you can do with mung bean to pamper yourself and give yourself a DIY spa day, then please keep on watching. And also, if you just want to add a little bit extra jazz to it, you can create some sprouts for yourself and just treat yourself to those sprouts while you're treating your hair and body topically. Now, without any further ado, finally, let's get started. Let's start off by making our exfoliating hair oil because that would need the most amount of rest time. I'm using coconut oil and I'm going to mix it into ground mung bean. I'm using a little bit more oil than I have mung bean, and then I'm just going to mix it up so that I get a nice oily layer on top. I'm going to let it rest overnight so that the mung bean can nicely infuse in with the oil. This will not become like a homogeneous mixture, but there will be sedimentation in this, and that's exactly what we are looking for. Once that is done, all you want to do is start massaging the oil on the top layer onto the hair. You don't want to take the sediment that's on the bed right now, but just take the oil and apply it all over your scalp. And once you're done with that, just give yourself a nice massage. You can also go all over your hair lengths and ends just to moisturize them nicely as well. And then once that is done, you want to take the sediments that you have right here and then you want to exfoliate your scalp. Don't worry, this will not stick to your hair. It actually gets out really easily. I'm just gonna tie my hair off in a bun. I'm gonna wait for an hour before I wash it all off. Until then, I'm gonna make my face scrub. For that, I'm gonna use a little bit of oatmeal and I'm gonna mix it into my mung bean. So I'm just gonna be incorporating both of these ingredients together, and then I'm gonna use good old water just to bring this into a nice mixture. You want to let it rest for a couple of hours so that it can really nicely absorb the water and the scrub becomes really soft, so it's not abrasive on your skin. So just mix it all up and let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours. And once that is done, your face scrub is basically ready. All you need to do is go in with damp skin and apply this all over your face and scrub your face for about a minute or so. Please don't apply a lot of pressure, just very minimal pressure. Just go all over your face in nice massaging strokes and then wash it off with plain water, and you would be left with soft, supple, beautiful skin. The next thing we're going to be making is a face mask. For that, I'm going to be using honey and finely ground mung bean. This is finely ground, so I'm just adding my honey to my mung bean and I'm just going to be mixing it up to get a nice thick paste. Now I'm looking for a thick paste because I really want it to be intensely hydrating. So you don't want to use a lot of honey, it would make the consistency looser. You just want a nice thick paste like this. And once you have your face mask in place, all you want to do is just apply it on your face. I love to use the back of the spoon to apply my face mask, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just applying my face mask all over my face, and you want to keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes. It would work so well on the skin. It would make your skin so hydrated, so plump. It's just a beautiful mask. It will also work on hyperpigmentation if you use it continuously. But for now, let's make our body scrub. I'm using crushed sea salt and I'm just going to be adding it to my ground mung bean. I'm using huger chunks because I don't want it to get completely dissolved in this scrub when we add our water. So I'm just mixing it up together before adding in my water. I'm going for a thinner consistency so that it's easily spreadable across my body. So I'm adding in a lot of water. I'm just going to be mixing it up and just letting it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. You don't want it to sit for way longer than that because the salt will get dissolved otherwise. So once my body scrub is ready, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over my body. And oh my god guys, this left my skin feeling so soft and supple. I'm also going to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes once I'm done with that, and then I'm going to take a quick little shower, and this is what I look after my shower. My skin felt so soft, so clean, I cannot explain to you guys. I was in love, and my scalp felt squeaky clean. It was cleaned and exfoliated properly. I loved this DIY spa day. And yes, with that, we finished this DIY spa day. I hope it was helpful for you all, and I truly hope that you do take out some time for yourself and pamper yourself, or maybe your mom or your dad or your brother, your sister, your partner, whoever you want to pamper. Just pamper yourself. You can have like a family spa day too. That would be an amazing idea to do. You can also check out my previous DIY spa days if you're not so keen on using the Moonbeam, because I do have a lot of DIY spa days on my channel. You can just search DIY spa day Shreya and it would pop up. But yes, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys again enjoyed this. I love you all so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.